Hi, this is JTwisdom, and I hope all of you elegant lovelies are having a wonderful day. We're actually feeling summer right now here in the Show Me State. It's actually feeling really warm right now, so we're getting into like 87, close to 90s. I think we had 91 the other day or something like that. So it's like try to get out early in the morning, do what you need to do, and come on in. So I wanted to share some skincare favorites of mine, and one skincare favorite that I've been trying to go 100% natural with skincare, you know, like products I use on my hair. And it's like sometimes it can be very hard to, like, where you have certain products that are 100% natural, and then you have certain products that are really your favorites that are not necessarily 100% natural, but they got good ingredients in them and they're good for you, and it kind of balances off. So one of the products I wanted to talk about, and I've been meaning to do a video on this for a while, is Tatcha. And Tatcha is a line that is formed from the mission is that you can have soft skin, supple skin, and firm skin. And a lot of the ingredients and that actually came from the geisha and how they have to wear a whole lot of makeup and everything, and how they actually use certain products such as rice powder to be able to make their skin so supple and soft. So when the Today's Special came along, I said, well, I think I'll give it a try. So the Today's Special, and this was earlier this year, and so in the Today's Special, the QVC Today's Special, it was the Tatcha, which is called the Essence, and then there is the Tatcha Polisher, and then there is the Tatcha Eye Cream, and then this is the Tatcha Enriching Renewal Cream, Ageless Enriching Renewal Cream. So the process is, first you actually clean your face, and I wash my face and everything, but I'll just show you what the powder looks like. This is actually what you would clean your face with, and actually you put like a dime size amount. I'll open up that, and then you put like a dime size amount of the powder and in your hand. And then what I do is I would actually run the water, and then I actually rub this on my face, and you can see how it actually becomes almost like a mild soap. And so I'm putting it on my hands, and you see how soft it is and how it goes on really well. And it's really goes on really well onto the skin. And I really like it because when you look at it, you think that this is powder, but it actually goes on really, really well. So, and I wipe my hands off so I can show you what my hands look like after I do this. And you would put this on your face, of course, but I'm just using my hands for illustration. So, and then so it looks really, really soft, really soft and supple. If you notice, I have blue and yellow for the Blues. They're in the Stanley Cups right now. Woohoo, go Blues. Go Blues. Go Blues. Go Blues. So next, after that, after you wash your face, then, excuse me, I put on the Tatcha, the Essence. Now, some people are saying, oh, this is water, but there is some really, really cool, and there's some really neat ingredients in this, and the ingredients are, it's micronutrients, and it's actually like vitamins for your skin. So it's not water, but it goes on, and this is what it looks like. So it goes on like that. I use a little bit, and then you can see how it goes onto the face. I'm rubbing it on my hands, And see how it goes on really, really, really nice and smooth. And then after that, then I would put on the moisturizer. And one thing about is that the Tatcha has really, really healthy ingredients. It's no parabens, no sulfates. It's not 100% natural, but it's very good for sensitive skin. And I really like it that it doesn't feel like it's not perfumey. This is the Ageless Enriching Renewal Cream, and there is a scent, and it kind of, you can tell I've been using it, but you don't need to use much. It comes with a little gold spoon. Isn't that cute? Little gold spoon. So, and then I take very little. Then I'm just gonna put this just to show you what it looks like. And you can tell it's very soft, and it goes into the skin really softly. And you only need a little, so you don't need much. And it just it goes on very softly. And it rubs in really well, so it doesn't feel oily or anything like that. I know these products are sold separately, and they are sold, I think I don't know if they're sold in this configuration that the Today's Special was, but I know they're sold in kits. Because I actually, when I first tried Tatcha, I actually first tried the super size of the eye cream, and then I got a small size. Show you here. So this is what I first tried, but I had this on an auto delivery too. And this is the Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream, which is the same thing as this. So this is what I got in the Today's Special. And I don't mind, I'll put on, really want to show you what the eye cream looks like, but usually I'll get like just a little bit amount of the eye cream, and then I'll just tap, and I'll just tap under my eye, and I tap on the lid of my eye, and then I'll just do the same thing on the other side. And you can tell it's not greasy. It goes in very well, but I tap because you know around your eye and your eyelid is the most sensitive part of your eye, so you don't need to use a whole lot, so you don't need to waste a lot of product. So, but I'll show you the difference is that this is the eye cream that I actually purchased with the Today's, that it was included in the Today's Special. And this was the eye, when I first tried it, it was on an auto delivery, and it came in this box. And I have not used this one because I want to use the little one up. And you see the presentation of the box is really nice. It's just everything's done really well. That's the little tab for you to take it out and everything. So this is the super size eye cream versus the eye cream, the regular size eye cream. Super size, regular size. So that's a big, 2 times the size of the amount. So I'm using this now, and put this back in there, and then I think I just got, like, it's interesting, I got a sample now. This is the Ageless Enriching Renewal Cream, what I just showed you, and this is the size that I received, and this is the mega size. Oops, I dropped the little. So that's the mega size and little size that I got with the eye cream. So I got that with the Today's Special. So it was kind of like and that was the presentation that came in. So one thing I like about Tatcha, the Tatcha brand, is that the creator or the creative director of the brand is really passionate about skincare and passionate about you know, how skin is on how your skin feels. And a little card is included with the Today's Special to show you how to use, because you can see the powder, the face powder, you can see the essence and the eye cream and the renewal, the Ageless Enriching Renewal Cream, and you can see how to use that. And you can also see the list of ingredients, and it is I mean, it is formulated without parabens and no synthetic fragrances or mineral oil. So it's really, 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 really good. It's not cheap, but it's, I mean, I think like if you have a nice brand and you really, really like it, then it'll last a long time. The ingredients are really are ingredients that will actually last for a long period of time. The product will last a long time because you don't need to use much. But it's really, I really like it. I like how it's great for sensitive skin, and I really like how it doesn't feel harsh or brash on my skin at all. And I just wanted to share some of the products. There's more now. There's a whole other different products that are in the Tatcha line too that I would like to try. But this is kind of like the core, like the cleanser, the eye cream. It's called the essence, but to me it reminds me of a serum, and your moisturizer. So if you use Tatcha, what do you think about the brand? Do you like it? What do you think about it? So just put in the comments on what you think about it. So I just wanted to share that with you. So until next time, this is JT Wisdom, and Jesus loves you.